Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, don't forget, like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel video. So ngayon, ang content na ito ay para lang sa gustong matuto ng motor control system. So ngayon po guys, yan po ang schematic diagram ng across the line magnetic starter. Yang TR na yan guys ay galing po yan sa thermal relay. Naka-normally close po yan guys, 95, 96. NC po guys, NC, normally close po yan. At saka itong NO po yan ay yung normally open guys, na galing sa magnetic contactor. May numbering yan guys, 13 and 14 guys. At ito na pong C yan guys, yan po yung coil, E1 at E2. At saka yung L1 po yan guys, yung line 1 at saka line 2 guys. So ngayon guys, ipapakilala ko sa inyo si TR, thermal relay. Ito po yan guys, yung thermal relay. Ito po yan guys. Yung tatlo na yan guys, yung linya yan, line 1, line 2 at saka line 3. At dito naman sa kabila guys, ito yung normally close. Yan po guys, may INSE yan guys, nandito yan guys. Oh. Yan po. Tika lang guys ha. Yan po guys, 95 at saka 96. Yung INSE guys, ibig sabihin normally close. At ito naman yung NO, yung normally open, 98 at saka 97. So ito na po yung line 1 yun to guys, line 1, line 2 at saka line 3. Itong tatlo na yan ay patungo sa motor mo guys. So by the way guys, ang trabaho pala nito ay magdidetect ng inyong motor. Ang i-detect na guys, yung high ampere. Pag high ampere yung motor nyo, ito automatically ito magte-trip. By the way guys, ito po yung tripping, yung trip na guys. So ito yun, ito reset guys. Yung pag nag-trip siya guys, reset mo lang ito yung blow. Ganyan po guys. So yan po ang, ito po yung mukha ng overload thermal relay o thermal relay guys. So yan po guys. So ngayon papakilala ko naman sa inyo itong si push button stop. Ito po yan guys, yung push button natin guys. Yan po, pula. Ibig sabihin yan guys, stop. Ito po yung push button natin guys. So push button stop at saka yung push button start. Ito po yung push button start nya guys. Yun, green guys. Yan po ang push button start. So ngayon guys, is yung magnetic contactor naman guys. Ito na guys. Ito na po yun guys, ang magnetic contactor niya guys. Yun. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang position niyan guys ay ganito po yun guys. Dito natin ilagay si thermal relay. Yan ganyan, nakaganyan to guys, ganyan. Dito po yung dito pong linya guys, tatlo, line 1, line 2, line 3 at ito naman sa output dito sa motor, terminal ng motor guys, line 1, line 2, line 3. So ngayon guys, hanapin natin si 13 and 14, yung normally open guys. So ito po yung normally open guys, tingnan nyo sa ibaba. Ito po yan guys, may symbol dyan guys, normally open. Ang ang normally open guys ay nasa ibaba at saka ang normally close ay nasa itaas guys. Ganyan. Ito po yung normally close na guys. Oh. Ganyan. Saka may number dito guys. May mga number ito 14 at saka 13 NO normally open at saka normally close na NC and NO. So, yan po guys. Pag sa baba ka guys, normally open yan. Pag sa itaas ka, normally close. Yan po yung mga auxiliary niya guys. Contact. So ngayon, tingnan natin si E1 at saka si ito guys. Ganyan niya si coil. Ito po yan guys. Yan. E1 at saka si ito guys. 200 to 200 volts 50 Hz. Saka 220 to 240 volts 60 Hz. Yan po ang kaya na guys ng voltahe. So, yan na po guys. Ito na po yung mukha ni magnetic contactor guys. So, sana naintindihan nyo guys. So, and by the way guys, please subscribe, share, and like my YouTube channel guys. So, yun lang guys. Thanks. God bless all.